Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video shares my personal experience using WriterAccess. WriterAccess, found at WriterAccess.com, is a platform connecting businesses with freelance writers. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to streamline the content creation process. From blog posts and articles to website copy and social media content, WriterAccess aims to be a one-stop shop for all your writing needs. Their system boasts a large pool of writers with varying levels of expertise and specializations, allowing clients to select writers who best fit their specific project requirements. The platform employs a star rating system and portfolio showcasing, enabling businesses to evaluate writers based on their past performance and writing samples. Beyond simply connecting clients with writers, WriterAccess facilitates the entire workflow. This includes project management features like assigning tasks, tracking deadlines, and communicating directly with writers through the platform. It also offers integrated tools for content planning, editing, and even SEO optimization, aiming to simplify every stage of content development. For businesses seeking a scalable solution for their content needs, WriterAccess presents a potentially valuable resource. Their tiered subscription model allows clients to choose a plan that aligns with their budget and content volume requirements. WriterAccess attempts to address the common challenges associated with outsourcing content creation by providing a structured platform with built-in quality control mechanisms. Features such as plagiarism checks and editorial reviews are designed to ensure that the delivered content meets client expectations. While the platform offers a range of benefits, it's important to note that individual experiences may vary. Factors such as project complexity, writer selection, and clear communication all play a crucial role in achieving successful outcomes when using a platform like WriterAccess. Therefore, researching and carefully considering your specific needs before committing to a subscription is highly recommended. Using a platform like this can be a powerful tool for businesses looking to streamline their content creation process. This has been my overview of WriterAccess, a platform that has the potential to simplify your content creation journey.